The notchback sedan version of the Dacia Logan was phased out from the German market in 2010. Nevertheless, the Logan has continued to thrive as a cornerstone of Dacia's global lineup. Today, it remains one of the brand's key strategic products, complementing the Sandero, Sandero Stepway, and Jogger in ensuring Dacia's enduring international success. While the Sandero has held the title of Europe's best-selling passenger car since 2017, the Logan continues to play a particularly vital role in overseas markets, especially in Eastern Europe, where it has built a strong reputation for reliability and affordability. For the 2026 model year, the Dacia Logan will share in the major updates being introduced across the Sandero and Jogger ranges. The refreshed model adopts Dacia's latest design language, featuring the brand's distinctive new LED lighting signature, an inverted T-motif integrated into the headlight design. This update is paired with a redesigned front fascia and a more refined grille, lending the vehicle a modern and robust appearance. At the rear, the Logan gains sleek LED pixel taillights that highlight the car's sculpted contours. Buyers can also choose from a range of new metallic paint finishes, including striking hues like amber yellow and sandstone. Depending on the selected trim, the car can be equipped with new alloy wheel designs or fresh wheel cover options, as well as a stylish shark fin antenna to enhance the vehicle's contemporary aesthetic. The interior of the updated Logan focuses on practicality, comfort, and durability, qualities that have always defined the model. The seats now feature high-quality black fabric upholstery designed for longevity, while premium trims come with refined microtep material for a more upscale touch. The dashboard and door panels incorporate new blue fabric accents that add a subtle sense of color and texture to the cabin. In addition, the steering wheel has been ergonomically improved to offer greater comfort and ease of use, ensuring a more enjoyable driving experience for both city commutes and longer journeys. The Dacia Logan also introduces the versatile YouClip system, a modular attachment solution that enhances interior flexibility and convenience. This system allows drivers and passengers to securely mount a wide range of accessories, including tablet or smartphone holders, bags, and coat hangers. As standard, the Logan comes with two YouClip attachment points, one on the dashboard and another on the rear of the center console, providing practical and easily accessible storage solutions for everyday use. Under the hood, the Logan offers multiple engine options to suit a variety of driving needs. The Terrace 100 is a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine delivering 100 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This upgrade improves daily drivability compared with its predecessor, which produced 90 horsepower. For those seeking alternative fuel options, the new EcoG 120 is a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo gasoline engine capable of running on LPG. For the first time, this engine can be combined with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing a smoother and more efficient driving experience. In addition, the LPG tank capacity has been increased from 40 to 49.6 liters, extending the vehicle's range by roughly 20%. While the 155 hybrid, previously offered on the Jogger and planned for the Sandero Stepway, is not yet available for the Logan, the current powertrain options provide an excellent balance of efficiency and performance. Connectivity and infotainment have also received significant upgrades. The Logan can be equipped with a 10-inch media display touchscreen, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. For drivers seeking more advanced navigation and connected services, the optional Media Nav Live system provides real-time traffic updates, connected navigation, and free map updates for 8 years. Additionally, for the first time, inductive wireless charging for smartphones is integrated into the center console, offering added convenience for daily commuting. Driver comfort and safety have been further optimized in the 2026 Logan. Optional features include automatic headlights, electrically folding exterior mirrors, and a multi-view parking camera for enhanced visibility during maneuvers. Many of these features can be grouped into the driving pack, providing a comprehensive set of driver assistance tools. The Logan complies with current European safety standards and includes advanced emergency braking assist, capable of detecting vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles in both city and highway traffic. A dedicated My Safety button allows drivers to quickly activate their preferred Advanced Driver Assistance System (ADAS) configuration, ensuring a personalized balance between safety and convenience.